What do you desire? What makes you itch?
Imagine just for a moment stepping outside the noise, the endless stream of expectations, and the bustling world that constantly demands your attention.
Of ruin, you'll see it all clear. How steep the fall is, how long the way back seems. Dry suns, dry suns are blurred. Distorted pictures, it's all here and there.
When you're riding on the edge of what you can do, and you're completely focused and in the moment, and you can't think of anything else other than trying to stay on the road.
Right. It reminds me that every once in a while you gotta get out of your routines. And get off the phone, and get off the internet, and get off the news, and get off all that garbage.
Stop the noise.
Remember that. Just listen to the, listen to the wind in the trees, and look at the stars, and just, it's so important.
Well, Canadian tree water never hurt anybody.
Stopped and like no one else was behind us. I was like, oh crap. So we turned around, went up there. How you doing, Jake?
I like usually hate seafood, so swordfish is real mild though. I was trying
to be the next.
I don't even know what to say.
Choir, hear your hoof lies a heartland where the temples are dressed in pleasure.
Should have told you guys that one.
You would have to.
Giant chunk of meat. Okay. It's gotta be made of chunk. Oh, that's good.
like, dude, check this out.
Oh, I swear.
It's
So
like,
right there.
Like, yo, and I was like, this is like, really, this is like, well, that's cool.
Caught a glimpse of her grace. Slightly misplaced. She's around. Without all the
Feeling fresh?
I felt so good. I feel like a brand new man.
When I was just a kid, they said, kid, don't you cry. I am older now, I say, it's alright. Every tear rolling down is a lesson learned. Are you too old to turn? Are you too young to burn? Too young.
Yeah,
Too young.
and it's pronounced
to burn. Too young. Too young. Too young to burn.
Hey, that means we have to be awesome. Yeah, exactly.
Too young to burn. Too young, too young.
So what we got here is toasted marshmallow with bananas Foster with Angostura bitters.
No way.
And then a Jameson and Sour Patch Kids syrup.
Wow. Let's go, Sour Patch.
I say Christian pilgrim, soul redeemed from sin, called out of darkness, a new life to begin. Were you ever in the valley where the way is dark and dim? Did you ever drink the cup of loneliness with him? Did you ever have him laugh at you and say it was a fake? The stand that you so boldly for the Lord did take. Did they ever mock at you and laugh in ways quite grim? Did you ever share the cup of loneliness with him?